Alright, so today's was deadlift main and some leg accessories. I think deadlift went well, top set for 170 for 172 for 3 4 4 I think. Yeah, this went very smoothly, followed by I think it's 147.5 4 by 4. That also went very nicely. Yeah, this is second set out of the 4 sets I think I did. Yeah, one suggestion I need was the hip height. Should I use or open up more of my leg, like expose the inner thigh more outside by opening up the knee, or should I just continue this because this position feels stronger for me to pull? So I just need if any technique change has to be done in the sumo deadlift. Yeah, second followed up by this Larsen press. This today I didn't feel any like this elbow pain while doing the bench press as such. It was butter smooth. Everything went well. Yeah. Now coming back to Bulgarian squat, split squat or whatever this one is. Uh, I have only one query in this is next time I'll record from the side so that we will understand what I'm talking about. It's the lean angle of the torso. I heard like if I lean too much, like bit forward, it'll target more of the hip and the glute muscle. I have to like do it strictly straight to like target the quad part of it, the front one near the knee joint. So I tried doing that, but I was like, body was not flexible enough for today. So I tried to compensate it by just staying neutral between not extreme straight, not extreme lean forward. Just kept it in the middle and just tried to wrap it out. For the right leg, since that adductor issue I told you about earlier, slight amount of small pain was coming at the stretch reflex position. That's the only it. It was not much. I just pushed through it. This, yeah, after this and the tricep push downs I did with the rod, I had that bicep pain again. I have to do something either diet wise or exercise wise, especially the squat technique. I think will change the thing. I want your suggestion on that. That's it. After this, the tricep push down I didn't record. I just did it fast. Gym was closing up. Yeah, that's all for today.